Hey, good morning, third graders. Today is Thursday, May 14th. We're going to start our Thursday morning off with recording our Flipgrid. I'm going to actually go to the Flipgrid this morning just so I can show you guys some resources that I have for you today. So this is our Flipgrid for today. We're working with idioms, but if you see down here, we have a couple of resource links. So when you click on this link, it's going to take you to a YouTube video. It's a song and it illustrates what idioms are. And then if you click on this link right here, that's where you're going to see a list of idioms. So you're going to choose one of those to put into a sentence and see if we can guess today. All right. So you'll just click on the link and then you can back. You can back out and come back to our Flipgrid page. And then you can see me right here. I wrote my idiom in the comment section, hold your horses. So um, if you can figure out what that means or what that idiom means, go ahead and you can leave me a little message on my grid right there. I really want you guys to try to respond to at least one other person's idiom today. So you'll probably need to come back to this flip grid later in the day after more people have recorded their videos. Okay, so make your this in the morning, take a break, do your other activities, and then come back and comment on at least one of your classmates' idioms and see if you can figure out what it means. All right, then you're going to go ahead and today you're going to read for 30 minutes because we're not doing our novel study. So go ahead and make sure that you up your reading minutes there and then fill in the reading check-in form, your reading log. Don't forget about the reading room. There's some great novels and chapter books there, which are going to be super important for you to be able to read those longer texts in fourth grade. All right, then you're going to go to Raz Kids. You're going to pick a book from your level up section. Make sure you read it, listen to it. Actually, you'll listen to it first. Listen to it, read it, and take a quiz on it. That's how you'll get full credit on that assignment. And then just remember, we're talking about theme. We're we're practicing making predictions, and your assignment this week was on historical fiction. All right, day 9 for informational writing. Today we're editing. So you're going to watch the day 9 video. That's all there is. There's nothing to fill in. There's no graphic organizers. But then you're going to go and fill in. You're going to go back to your day 4 animal report and read it 3 times. Important, one thing I've noticed, you guys have great ideas, but your writing is a bit brief. That means it's too short. You need to make sure that you have enough sentences. So I don't like to give you an exact amount of sentences, but I think that might be helpful. So your report should be approximately 16 to 20 sentences in length. Okay, so if you just have one sentence for an introduction, conclusion, and one sentence per subtopic, that is not third grade writing. You need more details. Okay, moving on. Today for math, we have some math word problems. So we're done with fractions. You guys did an awesome job learning fractions and distance learning because fractions are a difficult concept to grasp, and a lot of you guys did a great job. Now we're going back to addition and subtraction and looking at word problems. So really what you need to do is, because word problems are so tricky, is just first try to understand the problem and make sense of it. So what I have here is a form for you. You'll just click on the form. You'll write in your first and last name, read the question. So here's our first question. It says, Adrian read 5 books at school. He read another 12 books. When he got home, how many books did he read altogether? So it will grade it at the end, but you have to put the answer in exactly how I have it. So I'll go through and look these at the end. And if you have it approximately, I'll give you the credit for it. But here you would just see, okay, he read 5 books and then he read another 12. What is 5 plus 12? I'm going to start with 12 and just count on. Well, I know that 2 and 5 would be 7, so it would be 17. So I'm going to write 17 here. I'm going to put a space there. And then what do I have 17 of? Well, he read 17 books. So don't use capital letters, but make sure it's plural. You put an S there. And that's how you should be putting in your answer. That should come up correctly. But if you do a capital B, it will come up incorrect. And if you just put 17, it will mark it as incorrect too. Like I said, I will go back and double check for a lot of you for these, but make sure, just try. Okay. And then obviously your first question is what's your first and last name? So type that in there. All right. So that's what you're doing for math today. And there's 12 questions. Please answer them all. Okay. Let me leave here. So after math today, we're still working on our social studies map skills. So go ahead and do that. Get your PE activity in Mrs. Schroed's Google Classroom. And then for our optional activity today, I do have another Kahoot game for you. I think it's this one right here, but one of them is going to be done anyway. This Kahoot is on your map skills. So how much do you know about reading a map? Okay. So that's what I have for you guys today. If you have any questions, let me know. I can't wait to really start reading your animal reports. They are due tomorrow, so tomorrow we're publishing. So make sure you spend some time really editing and making sure that the length is there, that you have enough. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. I miss you, and I will talk to you later.